See, language na life skill. Language fit change your life. Language na life skill. You no know where you go find yourself tomorrow. Class or stand, make una make way as una teacher waka enter this class majestically. How una dey today? See, body dey totori me today, aka body dey sweet me. Ask me, or you type it in the comments. Ask me, say, teacher, why body dey sweet you like this? Meaning, teacher, why are you so excited? All right. Teacher, ask me. As I dey talk, more na dey write am. Oh yeah, oh yeah. I'm waiting. I dey wait. I dey wait. I dey wait una type am. Teacher, why body dey sweet you like this? So as I always tell una, you can either say sweet me or totori me. Totori is like a deeper level of pidgin, okay? Body dey totori me. Or you start typing it. Teacher, my dear pidgin teacher, why body dey sweet you like this? Type it. I'm going to be excited if I can read that from you guys. But yes, see, body dey sweet me because, can you guess? Oh yeah, guess. Mona tell me. Why una think say I dey happy? See, the reason why I dey happy, e dey your front like this. Koro koro. Your two eye dey see am. Look down. Look down. You go see 7K. You go see wetin? 7,000 of my dear pigeon lovers in the building. Somebody pinch me. 7,000 of una don subscribe to Pigeon Lovers channel, and hey, una teacher dey very thankful. Una teacher dey very grateful, and I want us to move forward. I want us to learn. I have a lot to teach. You guys already know. But this one now, I want dedicate another video to una. So tell me, as una dey watch me, may una type down wetin una go wan learn for pidgin. Type am down. Make I read, and I go do each person video individually. I go do everybody video one by one. Okay, so put down your pidgin video request, put down your pidgin questions, put down the type of content you want to see from me moving forward, because we must learn this language. That pidgin, you must learn am. That pidgin, I must teach you now. I'm getting paid. The government, they pay me make I teach you now pidgin. I don't know. You guys, that was a joke. That was a joke. I beg, nobody they pay me, not even YouTube at the moment. We're not even monetized because, you know, we need to hit the threshold. We need to hit the 4,000 hours watch time. So I'm not earning, but I'm happy when you guys learn. I'm happy when I read from you guys. You guys are fantastic. You guys are amazing. And I go teach you the pidgin, okay? So make una start to write down what I want to learn. However, I still dey work on video, where I go post very soon, okay? But what I want to say is, please, you guys should organize. I know you guys are not together, but whenever you turn on your post notifications, so that when I post, if you now they watch my video quick, it go dey inspire me. I'm not gonna lie. It go inspire me to do more. If now they quick watch my video, I go quickly bring more content. But I need a quick watch. So that bell icon where they beside the subscribe button for down there, that bell icon, click am, put am for all, not personalized, not off. It's on, and you go put am for all, so that every single notification will come from this channel, you go first get am and you go watch am. Why you go watch am? Because I dey take out my time. See, language na life skill. Language fit change your life. Language na life skill. You don't know where you go find yourself tomorrow, meaning you don't know where you will be tomorrow, and a language can literally save your life. So now life skill, and I'm doing this for free. You need to inspire me and encourage me to do more. I need una to ginger me. That's how we say it in pidgin. Una need to ginger me to do more. Una need to see. You know, say I get the vibe. I dey teach una pidgin even with the attitude. This is how they talk. They use attitude talk pidgin. Okay, so this is me just breezing in to tell you guys that I'm here for you. I'm happy that you guys are subscribing and watching. The channel is healthy. From the analytics, I see like new subscribers, I see good comments, I see say the channel they grow well. And I dey very grateful. As much as I'm here saying, oh, I need you guys to inspire me and encourage me and watch, I am honestly grateful that you guys stop by once in a while to watch my videos and learn. It is a beautiful thing. I'm so happy for 7,000 of you. If by any chance you want to learn Pidgin, make I use Pidgin talk am. So if you know say you want learn Pidgin English and you dey see my face today, wetin you go do? You go click the subscribe button, then you go also click the bell icon, put am for all, so that you go join my Pidgin lovers wey don already dey. Come in, join us, make we carry this language go the next level. It will get to a point where una go even dey help us teach other people, even for this channel. There's a lot I have in store. I need you guys to, stick with me. Thank you all, 7,000. I'm grateful. I go see una for the next video. But meanwhile, don't forget to write all those things. So I tell you now, drop your video requests, drop your Pidgin questions, and I'll be right here to answer. I go see una for my next one, okay? Mona take care. Mona stay safe. Bye-bye.